So you're looking to make your first $100 online as an affiliate marketer. What you need is a plan. Actually, you need a proven strategy, something simple that you can start today. Now, most people think that you start with an offer. For example, you see this offer here and you can see that it made me $178.09. But offer is not the place to start. Inside of my top strategy, the place to start is traffic. This is a proven strategy that allows you to create traffic from helpful content here on YouTube and then get people over to see your offer. Again, I go back to this example, a real example of me promoting a product and making $178. So I need you to focus in on the time frame, August 2020. Then I need you to go back to the top strategy with me, and I need you to understand this all starts with traffic. If you want to get to your first $100 online as an affiliate marketer, it starts with traffic. Then it starts with offer, and then the concept of taking the people that see your offer that came from your traffic onto an email list. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's go back to this idea and let me show you the proven strategy in action. This is Publisher Report. It's an old YouTube channel of mine, and I want to show you the videos here or the content that become the traffic. I want to show you and count with you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. On my 11th video 3 years ago after creating this channel, I made this video, how to make word search puzzle books and make money with Amazon KDP. You can see the thumbnail, Instant Puzzle Generator. Look familiar? It should. My affiliate stats for Instant Puzzle Generator. This is the offer, but you saw traffic first. You saw the videos, the content that I made here on YouTube over on Publisher Report. I made those videos to show people how to do a simple thing. In that case, or in the case of that channel, the topic is how to publish or how to create and publish books on Amazon KDP. Then they need the software being Instant Puzzle Generator. In August 2020, I promoted that and I made $178.09. Or my first $100 using that traffic source and then simply letting people know that I had an offer to help them do the thing ultimately that I'm trying to show them how to do, which is create books and then publish them on Amazon. Now, I'm not saying you follow that topic. I'm saying you pick your own topic, and that is the very first step inside of the plan when you break out the top strategy into actual steps. So now let's do that. Let's take the top strategy, traffic, offer, people, and let's break it into steps. Step number 1 being topic. Pick a topic. In the case of Publisher Report, the topic was how to create and publish your first book. Of course, that's going to be me showing how to create a book, and to create books, I needed to show people the tools that I used, and then guess what? As an affiliate, as a marketer, as an affiliate marketer, I take that content, then I say, check it out. Here's how you do it. Also, link in the description. You can get this simple, easy to use tool, but that didn't start until I picked the topic. Then, of course, step 2 is tools, tech, and time. This comes into the tools that you need. Obviously, if you're going to record a video, you need some type of recording software. I personally use Camtasia. That's what I'm recording this video with. But a lot of people have luck, and I've shown people, and I've used it myself. I've used a product called ScreenPal. There's a link in the description. Also, I'll put a video up in the cards so you can see exactly how you can get started with that simple tool to start recording your screen to make the types of videos that led to my first $100 from Publisher Report. Again, go back to Publisher Report. This is the traffic. Traffic is simply content, but it's the first step. Creating traffic, picking a topic, and then utilizing the tools and the technology and understanding that I needed to be on the YouTube platform, create simple videos. Again, you can see the videos here that I published leading up to the Instant Puzzle Generator video. Then if you were to take a look at that video, again, this video was published August 28th, 2020. 3 years ago, it got 1,000 views. You can actually see it's just me sharing my screen. My face is actually on the screen, but I messed up. And you can see that my face is actually covering up part of the software. So it was a mistake to have my face on the screen. I should have just left my face off the screen, recorded my screen, showed people how to use the software, because that's all the video was doing. It was being helpful and showing people how to use that software, and then letting them know that they could use the link in the description to get the software. Also, the link in the description was the offer, but it was also doubling down as a bonus, or I added a bonus, and that's part of the plan, or inside of the proven top strategy. Part of the plan is when you let people know about an offer, you also can offer them a bonus. Again, we go back to the plan, the actual proven top strategy. We saw we need to pick a topic first. We need tools, technology, and we need the time. Then we need to create consistent content. You saw that over at Publisher Report. I created a video up to the time where I made my offer. Then we get up to offer, and all we simply did in that case was we moved ahead, and I'll fast forward a little bit and I'll say offering a bonus lots of times is a way to get more people to take you up on your offer. But again, it all starts down here when you start with traffic, and that comes with picking a topic. Of course, it's going to be important to understand that eventually you want to add people to an email list, because you want to build your email list as part of this strategy. Because once you make your first $100, you want to be able to, off the platform of YouTube or any platform you choose to create content on to generate traffic, you want to be able to take those people, put them on an email list so you can automate and follow up with them. Again, automate passive income and profit in scaling your business in step 9. This is inside of the top strategy. This is inside of affiliating, where I walk people through these 9 steps one-on-one, and we do this over 9 days. But the point here is the top strategy is traffic offer people. That is how you get your first $100 as an affiliate marketer. Having a proven strategy, and inside of that proven strategy, having a step-by-step plan, which is why I made this video and exactly what I wanted to show you today. So I've showed you. So now you don't have any excuses. Go out, get your traffic. Don't do like most people tell you to do. Don't go look for offers over on ClickBank or any other place. Start with traffic, pick a topic, start creating content, generate traffic, and then you pick an offer that resonates with your audience, or the people that you're going to add to an email list, or those people that you're actually trying to help. And again, I think the best place to start, and I've proven this, is right here on YouTube. And if you want to know or see exactly how I do that, go ahead and watch this video you see on the screen right now. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.